Hey, this is Shawn for Shawn Cole Enterprises, and I want to talk to you today about royalty. Royalty has a lot of big things going on right now, a lot of excitement, a lot of buzz about our company and what we are doing since Google has shut down the Nearby Notification Network. Royalty has started their own notification network. It's up, it's running, it's broadcasting. We're getting results. Um, we are we are partnered with thousands of apps that have allowed us to use their news feeds, whereas we can advertise to prospective clients. Um, Basically, what happens? Someone passes through your zone where your gem is located. It triggers an ad onto their news feed. Such apps as Facebook, Instagram, Yahoo, CNN, Forbes, so forth and so on. It's great. It's exciting. Um, our customers excited. Our affiliates excited, and everybody's making money. So everybody's happy. Foremost, um, we were prepared, and that's the best thing I can say about it. You know, our leadership was prepared for changes that might come, and when the changes came, we took action. We were able to take action. Unlike other companies, other beacon companies that just focused basically on beacons, not the technology. They weren't innovative. You know, they're having a hard time right now. Even our major competitor of Serbia has pretty much given up their proximity marketing business. They're no longer broadcasting ads, and they're actually telling their affiliates to switch over, and they partner with another company called Viv, and basically what they're doing is now they're selling utility services. They're no longer in the marketing and advertising business. Well, that's not what's happening here at Royaltie. We are still in the advertising business. We are still in the marketing business. We are still placing ads on cell phones. We're actually doing it in a better way now. We're taking the guessing game out of that scenario, whereas there is no, oh, I hope they see my ad in the notification bar. Now, we know they will see your ad because it's placed in the notification bar of apps that they already have on their phone. We're not asking people to download a new foreign app that they know nothing about so that we can advertise to them. We are placing our ads somewhere where they're already comfortable with, they already go to on a daily basis, and now they will see our ads. And Royaltie is actually guaranteeing a minimum of 500 impressions monthly to their customers. They're guaranteeing that as a minimum. They're guaranteeing, think about that for a second, they are guaranteeing that people will see your ad, that you will get impressions. They're guaranteeing that. That is extremely powerful. And also, along with the price point, you know, for a lot of businesses, you could get started here with Royaltie for as low as $98 down, $29 a month. It's a drop in the bucket for the results that you could get from our type of advertising for your business. Um, Also, along with that, if you sign up with me today, you also get free access to hours upon hours of training that will make you successful in advertising your business. Or maybe if you want, you can advertise, you can actually learn how to make money online. Let me take a quick look and show you exactly what I'm talking about. What you see now here, and are you looking at, is a look into our training portal that we have when you sign up with Royaltie with me today. This is what you get access for free, just for you signing up with Royaltie. And let's take a look exactly what it is and the different courses that we have back here in our back office. How to post in Facebook groups, how to create videos for your business, how to use Facebook Messenger bot, how to give value and leverage, how to cold call, how to rank on YouTube, which is very powerful. Um, Old funnel system, how to make money on Instagram, how to advertise on Instagram, how to use Facebook Live properly, which is very powerful. How to set up get response, auto response, or an email blaster. How to use iMovie to make professional videos. We teach you how to make professional style videos. How to start your own social media marketing company. If you choose to be affiliate, we also have training, specified training on how to sell Royaltie Gems business to business, how to use solo ads, how to use the upline networks, how to cold call, how to get 5,000 targeted Facebook friends, which is very important because Facebook is a very big platform that you could use to advertise your business. And the best way to do that is through your friends list. And we teach you how to get like minded people onto your friends list that want to hear about your opportunity. And so forth, and so on. As you can see here, we have hours upon hours of free training that you get for free just for signing up for Royaltie and signing up with me today. You get free access to that. I can't put a price tag on that. We're talking thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of information and education that we have in our membership portal. And that is only, like say, if you join with me today through Royaltie. That's very powerful. So not only are we giving you the means to advertise your business, how to advertise your opportunity, we're also giving you the support and the training that you need to be successful in your own personal business. And if you choose to be an affiliate with Royaltie, you get full access, full backup, full training on how to be successful, not just with selling Royaltie products, but how to just in general, how to make money online and how to brand yourself. That is what we do. How to make professional looking videos, how to present yourself professionally, how to brand yourself, how to use leverage, how to use other people's skills to your benefit and to the benefit of others. Just tons and tons of information that we give to you for free, just for becoming a Royaltie affiliate. Not to mention that we also have the best comp plan online. It doesn't get any better than that. If you need information, you can give me a call, 410-929-3390. Again, this is Shawn Cole Enterprises, owner of Proximity Marketing Lifestyle, Royaltie affiliate. You can reach me, like I said, 410-929-3390. Follow me here on Facebook at Shawn Cole Enterprises to keep up on all my updates that I post on Royaltie and any opportunity that I can present to you on how to make money online and to be your own boss. If you like the content of this video here, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, share. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you're interested in joining Royaltie, either as a customer or as an affiliate, I'll leave my links in the descriptions of this video. Or like I said, need more information, you can give me a call, 410-929-3390. That's my personal cell phone number that I can be reached at any time, where I'm always available to my customers and my affiliates, man. I'm very accessible. Yeah, and that's it. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. You have a great day.